figure out if MLS covers your particular area, you can look at the coverage map here where the blue is, and those are the general areas where we have that direct to MLS data. But there is another filter where you can drill down even deeper and get more accurate information about where that MLS data begins and ends. So if you come up here to the filter and then come down into the source drop down, listing source, click MLS, and then timeline, I would just choose all because you want to see every listing. And then go ahead and just click run search. And this is going to put on the map all the blue areas. So this is going to have no relation to where the public record data is, only where we have that direct to MLS. And so if you drill down to a specific market, let's say we drill down right here into, say, the Minneapolis market, you can see that we have a lot of direct to MLS data. But then it starts to thin out up here, right? So that could either mean that that's where another MLS is starting to take over, or maybe an MLS we don't have yet, or it could also mean that potentially there just isn't a lot of listings up there because it's a rural area. And then you can come in even further. Let's say we drill down into this area right here, and then you can see that it really starts to thin out, and then right here it just drops off. So this is a cutoff between where this MLS area is covered and where this area is not.